we might be able to save a species. In a world of constant change, it's easy to feel helpless when we witness the loss of creatures we've come to cherish. From the towering elephants of Africa to the tiny, vibrant butterflies of the Amazon, species are disappearing at an alarming rate. Each one lost leaves a hole in the delicate fabric of our ecosystem, and with it, a piece of ourselves. But what if we could change that? Over the years, we've come to understand the intricate balance of life on Earth. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every species plays a role. They help pollinate our crops, maintain healthy forests, and sustain the oceans. They contribute to the very air we breathe and the water we drink. So when a species is in danger, it's not just their survival on the line, it's ours too. Human activity has been the driving force behind many of these losses. Deforestation, pollution, climate change, and poaching have all taken their toll. But what if we took a step back and focused on what we can do to reverse this trend? What if, instead of just watching these creatures disappear, we took action? Hope isn't lost. Across the globe, dedicated scientists, conservationists, and communities are working tirelessly to protect endangered species. From breeding programs designed to restore animal populations to efforts to restore vital habitats, progress is being made. In some places, we've seen remarkable successes. The bald eagle, once on the brink of extinction, now soars through the skies once again. The giant panda, symbol of conservation efforts, is slowly making a comeback. Even the majestic white rhino, though still critically endangered, has seen a glimmer of hope thanks to the relentless efforts of people who refuse to give up. These successes are proof that we can make a difference, but we must act now. We must come together as a global community, understanding that the survival of one species is tied to the survival of countless others. The preservation of these animals is not just about saving them from extinction. It's about ensuring the health of the planet for future generations. It's about restoring balance to an ecosystem that supports us all. We might be able to save a species, but it takes more than just awareness. It requires action. It demands that we change the way we think, the way we live, and the way we interact with the natural world. Every choice we make, from the food we eat to the products we buy, can have a ripple effect on the environment. Each decision either helps or harms the creatures with whom we share this planet. And the good news? We are already seeing change. More people are becoming conscious of their environmental impact, more businesses are committing to sustainable practices, and more governments are taking steps to protect biodiversity. The more we learn about the interconnectivity of life on Earth, the more we understand how crucial it is to protect these creatures, because the truth is, when we protect wildlife, we protect ourselves. We might be able to save a species, and with every species we save, we take one step closer to saving the world. But it requires all of us to get involved, whether by supporting conservation efforts, advocating for policies that protect habitats, or simply being more mindful of our daily choices. The future of countless species and of the planet itself is in our hands. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the hearts to make a difference. The journey ahead may be challenging, but it's not impossible. Together, we can change the course of history. We might be able to save a species, and that, in turn, might just save us all. Let's do this for the creatures, for the planet, for the future.